As a young child to an adult, never just rely on your emotions to lead you in this life. You will be led astray or enter the wrong situations because of it. Emotions are supposed to add fuel to what you're thinking and doing. For when the emotions are out of control, you will overthink, get anxiety, depression, or lash out with anger towards a person, place, or thing. As of May 2026, a lot of people are acting out their emotions or feeling and getting stuck without seeking help to overcome the thinking that keeps them missing the great moments of who they are really are on this earth. I want the best for you, so seek help from a trusted person or entity. For without this, your existence on this planet will be in turmoil and not being filled with joy, peace, and serenity you deserved. Love and respect to you always.